Look what your brother's done now, you cool shit. You cut the main support beam, and this is what happened. That means fruit, dirty meat, don't cut it. Family standards only require the best meat in town. More money lost. I never get a break presenting myself to the people. Selling. You pair of prima donnas poodle around here listening to the radio all day and sawing down your own. Get that thing out of here. Maybe crack the main butane tank. It's up there. Go look at it. Taxes. Damn property taxes fuck up everything.
Ow! What the hell was that?
I don't know what. Kick your in the ass again.
Wrong land! It's a hit, it's a bang, it's a smash!
Got him up, Bubba. Did you see it? Well, did you? Didn't you? Didn't you? Go check it out, boy. Out, boy, before I start kicking your
Let me go. Oh. Let me go.
What the hell? You left-haired idiot. Get out of here.
Girlfriend, Bubba's got a girlfriend,
Is that what this is, Bubba? The old cock and cunt swindle, huh? S-C-E-X. Sex? Hey, you had to find out about it, didn't you? Yeah. If you wanted to know about it so bad, why didn't you ask me? You want to know about it? You want to know about it? Ask me. Ask me. It's a swindle. That's all. Don't get mixed up in it.
Help me.
Bubba, you were supposed to finish her. Finish her now.
Burn her like a rat.
Finish her.
Burn her like a rat.
Finish her now.
Burn her like a rat.
Finish her now, Bubba. Finish her.
Finish her.
Give me that. Turn traitor for a piece of tail. You got one choice, boy. Sex or the saw.
She's in the garbage now.
Please, no.
Don't rattle him like that, damn it. You're balling up his shit. He showed us all this business. We was raised. Oh, that was all she wrote. One morning, Grandpa just quit going in. It was the on down.
No. Help me. Let me go. Help me, please. No, let me go. Let go. No.
Here comes the judge. Here comes the judge.
Oh, no, don't ruin Grandma's favorite drug. Be careful of the splatter. You gotta be careful of the splatter. Oh, great Grandma in chains of heaven. Please don't hoodoo the boy. Hey, Grandpa, here's the big boy.
Come on, Grandpa.
Oh, Grandpa, let's get on with it.
Oh.
go!